How to make your iPhone clock smaller. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and navigate to the wallpaper option and tap on it. Further, go ahead and tap on the customize option you see there in your wallpaper, and now in this particular interface you will be able to make all the required changes that you want in your wallpaper. So now, in order to make your iPhone clock smaller, simply go ahead and reduce the size of the clock by simply swiping up. And with this, as you can see, the clock size has been smaller. Now, in order to save your changes, simply tap on the done option on the top right of your screen. And with this, as you can see, the changes has been made. So this was about how you can make your iPhone clock smaller. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.